Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTR 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here tap on the brightness icon, the one with the sun on it. Tap on the icon and here we need to disable the automatic screen brightness first. So tap on the A icon right here below this slider, like this. And now we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping up and down on the screen like that. And once you're done, simply press the upper button to go back. You can also adjust the screen brightness by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Zap app on our phone. In the app, tap on Profile. Select the Amazfit GTR 2 from the list of devices. Here tap on Watch Settings. Then Display and Brightness. And we can adjust the brightness right here by swiping left and right on this slider. No, my bad. And you can also enable and disable the auto brightness right here by tapping on this slider next to auto brightness, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.